Hey, what's going on, guys? How's everybody out there doing? So this is a quick video, sort of a 2-year, it's not quite 2-year review of my Samsung Z Flip 4. So I don't use this phone very often, and I've been using it for my third channel, which is a shorts channel and a channel about Colombia, the country, primarily in Medellin, Colombia. But I talk about a variety of things, and this is the camera that I use along with my DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal. And the microphone that I use is a wireless mic called a Full Lane X5. So I use that combination to do those videos on that channel with this camera. I just couldn't find a use for this thing, and I finally found a use for it, using it for a video. And it's actually the front-facing camera that I'm using, not the rear-facing camera, and I'm putting it in portrait, and I blur out the background, and that's basically what you get right there. So, but overall though, man, this phone has not been bad. I'm still not a fan of the battery life on this thing. I think battery life is okay. It's really not that great. So far, it's been durable. I rock it now without a case. I basically keep it in my camera bag. And if there's a situation where I need to pull out a phone with a gimbal, with that gimbal, I'll pull that out if I'm not using one of my action cameras, or I'll use my iPhone to film whatever. But, you know, people still use this device. People still have this as their only primary device, and it's cool. I mean, it works great still. It is a Samsung, so you get all of the Samsung features that come along with this. All of the extra things, you know, you have your little slider here on the side. You get all of the normal uses from Samsung. So overall, it's not a bad device. My biggest problem with this device has always been battery life and price. And since it's been 2 years old, there's all kinds of deals you can find on this device if you're into folding devices. So this is the smaller Flip. I mean, wallet size. It's more, it looks premium. It looks more premium to me than it actually is. Its price, you know, the value of it. To me, you know, I said this when it first came out, $699 or $600, which is what I paid for this, versus $1,000. I didn't think this was worth $1,000 because of the screen. Now I have about a month and a half use on this device, and this screen, I don't know if it'll pick this up, but you can see it right there. That screen is already starting to lift right there in the middle, and it's just gonna spread the more I use it. The more I open and close it, the more it's gonna spread. So it's out of warranty, because if it was still on warranty, I could take it to Samsung and get it fixed. There is a Samsung here. Once it starts to spread out from using it, then I'll take it and get that screen fixed. But this is one of the drawbacks for anybody who's thinking about picking up something like this. This is a plastic, it's just a screen cover. Let me make sure I say this right. It's not the screen itself, it's the screen cover that's on here. Now I have replaced the one before on my Z Flip 2. I replaced it, but from what I did, you know, I did it myself, and it was always kind of flaky right here in some of these spots. Like, you can get it perfect, but it's something that Samsung does with their screens to keep it down. So I've tried those ones from Amazon before. They work for about a month or two of using it, and then it'll stop. So that's why I've never really used this device as a primary phone, because of stuff like this. So taking that to the side, because that's something you're gonna get even with the Fold, right? And I don't even use this. As you can see, this phone is in perfect condition. There's no scratches, nothing anywhere. I keep this device in pristine condition, and just opening it one day and found it. See, just like that, just peels on open. And I'm like, wow. So that's why, to me, this was never worth $1,000. Now, I'm sure I'm in the minority of people who have this issue. I did see CJ Knows Tech. He had a problem with his right when he got his right away. He had it fixed. It was still under warranty, and they sent it back to him. But, you know, that's been always my thing with these folding phones and these flipping phones. I mean, this screen is only 1080p as well, and for $1,000, I mean, there's many other phones you can get for a much better price than this device at $1,000. But if this was all I had and all I had to work with, I could run a YouTube channel with this for sure. Because doing the video that I do on my third channel, I'll make a video with this and then I'll just post it directly to YouTube, not having to edit or anything. It's just raw, just talking about living here, places I've been, different situations. I'll probably end up making a video tonight on this very phone talking about those issues. But on this channel, I want to get back, man, to tech. I miss talking about tech. I miss talking about all the different products and things that I've had. And I'm recording this video on the original DJI Osmo Pocket from 2018. I wonder how many people would have known that if I didn't say anything. I believe I'm recording this in 4K at 50 frames per second, but this is the original Pocket I'm recording on. So the sound quality and everything you hear is coming from the original Pocket. Now I will have another video later on coming up about my uses and time of having this over a year now. This is the Huawei P60 Pro, and I will have an upcoming video talking about my iPhone. I just made an order today to get the new MacBook Pro M3. I needed another laptop. The one I got goes back to 2019. Sheesh. And I bought some new AirPod Pros. I finally got the Type-C. I'm converting over to Type-C with all my Apple stuff. The only things I have left is my AirPods Max and my iPhone 14. I would have to upgrade it to the 16, or I may wait to the 17 to get Type-C. But those will be the only two things left that I won't have Type-C on that still use Lightning. But as far as this device, guys, it's a good device. I wouldn't call it a great device. If it was something I had to recommend at the price point of $1,000, no, I wouldn't recommend it. But at a price point of $600, yeah, I could recommend this over a couple of different phones. But the Pixel, I'm thinking about picking up that Pixel 8a. Very interesting device at a great price. That might be the only other device I'll pick up, because I'm pretty much going to go Apple and one Android device moving forward. Currently, I'm using that Huawei. Like I said, this I pretty much just use for my other channel now, and I carry it in my camera bag in case I want to record something. But that's about it, guys, with this device. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching. Please stay tuned for more tech coming to the channel. So until then, though, guys, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.